Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today, I'm going to be showing you around the Note 9 that I purchased on eBay. I usually don't like buying devices on eBay, especially not high-end ones like something like a Note. But I did anyway. I got my S9 Plus that I've been using in beta videos on eBay, and that one was actually factory sealed still. Not really. The guy opened it to like unlock it or whatever. But he listed it as new, and it was in new condition. It still had the plastic on it. This one was used a little bit. It did have some like scratching on the screen up here. I don't know what it was from, if it was from the S Pen, but there's some slight marking up here. You can't really see it on the camera with the light, but I can see it. I don't know if they're actually scratches in the screen or not. I've been able to rub some of them off, and they've pretty much come off to the point where it doesn't bother me. So that's good. That's not an issue. The back is in pretty good condition. It's got some fingerprints on it because I've been using the phone all day. The only actual issue I'm having with the phone is the S Pen does not work. I don't know if this is the original S Pen that came with this phone or what, but it is a Samsung S Pen. It doesn't look like a knockoff. It does work for the regular function. It feels a little bit weird, and it taps kind of loud. The end of it's kind of squishy. I don't know why. If it was just used a lot or whatnot. The warranty on this phone is valid until November of 2019, so I don't think that this phone is more than a month old. So the fact that the S Pen's like that, it's either a knockoff or it's just worn out, or was abused or something like that. I don't know the history of this phone. I bought it from one of those sellers that sells a bunch of cell phones. He claimed that this was a factory unlocked Samsung U1, which is the factory unlocked model, the ones that actually come from Samsung unlocked. And a quick look at the serial and IMEI reveals that that is not the case. This was a former Sprint phone, which I basically knew that right away when I powered up the phone, and it said insert a SIM for the UICC unlock, which the UICC unlock is something I think only Sprint does, at least here in the US. No other carrier phones say that. Fortunately, it was unlocked from Sprint, so I am able to use it on T-Mobile like I am right now. But the guy was not honest in the fact that he said it was a U1 factory unlocked model. Now that it's been unlocked from Samsung, it does actually use the U1 software. I would show you that. You can see right here it is a U1 in the software. I had to cover my phone number up. So that doesn't really bother me too much. I let him off the hook on that one. On here, you can see he actually scratched off after the U right there, it says Sprint, because it was a Sprint phone. It actually says that on the serial number from T-Mobile or on Samsung as well. But the S Pen remote is not working, and that is the issue that I have with it. The S Pen remote does not connect. It will not connect. You can take it out and put it back in, and it tries to connect to it, but it won't. I've tried it multiple times. I'm running the Pi beta right now. I tried it on Oreo when I first got it. The phone had about 4 or 5 software updates throughout Oreo that it did, and the pin would not connect in any of those. So it's not a software issue. I don't know if it's an issue with the phone or an issue with the pin. We'll have to see. I have ordered another pin though, because Samsung would not honor the warranty without the original receipt, even though the warranty is transferable. So that kind of annoyed me, but the pin was only $30, so I went ahead and ordered another one. You can see it up there trying to connect, but it has failed to connect every single time. And that's for the Bluetooth function on the remote. I don't know if it's just the phone sat a long time and the S Pen's been dead and it won't charge, the supercapacitor and it's bad, something like that. Or like I said, there's an issue with the phone. Everything else works though, Bluetooth and everything like that on the phone works. So I'm assuming that the issue is with the S Pen itself, because everything else on the phone seems to be functioning just fine. But that is the Note 9 that I purchased on eBay. Like I said, it is running the Pi beta right now, so I will be doing some Pi beta videos in the future. I just wanted to kind of give you a look at the phone and, see what kind of issues you can run into and risk you take when you purchase these things on eBay. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.